case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1908, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Muller v. Oregon, which focused on the constitutionality of a 1903 Oregon law limiting the working hours of women in certain jobs. Laundry owner Curt Muller had been fined $10 for violating the law in 1905, but he contested that the law affected contract rights, discriminated against women, and was unrelated to public health or welfare. Despite Muller's objections, the Oregon Supreme Court upheld his conviction, leading the case to be brought to the United States Supreme Court for review. In their decision, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the Oregon law, stating that it was necessary to protect women in the workplace due to physical differences and societal conventions. The justices found that the law did not conflict with the 14th Amendment and that the denial of women's right to vote was irrelevant to the case. As a result, the court affirmed the Oregon Supreme Court's decision and maintained that legislation was needed to protect women in the workplace.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.